What you eat during pregnancy isn't just about satisfying cravings. It's about building a foundation for your baby's health. It's easy to get overwhelmed by all the rules, but today, let's focus on what you can enjoy. I'll walk you through 5 powerhouse foods that are safe, nourishing, and easy to add to your routine, even on those tired or queasy days. This isn't about perfection, it's about making choices that connect you to your baby's growth. By the end, you'll have a simple grocery list and the confidence to nourish both yourself and your little one. Let's turn uncertainty into joyful purpose, one meal at a time. Let's get started. Let's start with leafy greens, the unsung heroes of prenatal nutrition. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard. These aren't just salad ingredients, they're nutritional powerhouses, brimming with benefits for you and your growing baby. Consider them the superheroes of your fridge, always ready to swoop in and save the day with their incredible nutrient density. These greens are loaded with folate, a B vitamin that plays a crucial role in cell growth and development. Folate is absolutely essential for your baby's brain and spinal cord development, especially during the first trimester. It helps prevent neural tube defects, ensuring a healthy start for your little one. Think of every bite as laying another brick, carefully and lovingly placed, in your baby's foundation, building a strong and healthy future. They're also packed with iron, a mineral vital for carrying oxygen throughout your body and to your baby. Iron helps fight pregnancy fatigue by supporting your increased blood supply, keeping you energized and ready to embrace each day. Low iron can leave you feeling exhausted, drained, and unable to fully enjoy this special time. So adding greens is a simple, delicious, and effective way to keep your energy up and combat that pregnancy fatigue. And you don't have to eat endless salads, unless you want to, of course. Toss a handful of spinach into your morning smoothie for a nutrient boost you won't even taste. Or wilt some kale into your eggs or soup for added vitamins and minerals. The flavor is mild and adaptable, but the benefits are huge and far-reaching. It's about weaving these greens seamlessly into meals you already love and enjoy, making nutrition effortless, enjoyable, and sustainable throughout your pregnancy. Pregnancy is a time to be gentle with yourself, to prioritize self-care and nourishment. So find shortcuts and simple strategies that nourish you without adding stress or overwhelming your already busy life. Add greens to pasta sauces for a hidden veggie boost, stir fries for added texture and nutrients, or even blend them into dips for a healthy and delicious appetizer. These small, consistent changes can make a big difference, laying the groundwork for your baby's healthy future. Remember, it's not about being perfect or adhering to some rigid diet. It's about adding a layer of goodness, a sprinkle of nutrients, to your everyday meals. Leafy greens are your quiet, reliable superhero cape, providing essential nutrients without any fuss. They're easy to use, incredibly affordable, and make a real and lasting impact on your health and your baby's development. So next time you're at the store, make a conscious effort to grab an extra bunch of those vibrant leafy greens. Your body, and your growing baby, will undoubtedly thank you for this simple act of self-care. Simple, powerful, and undeniably delicious. That's the magic, the understated power, of leafy greens during pregnancy. Make them a staple in your diet, a regular part of your meals, and you're already significantly ahead in the game of healthy pregnancy. Let's move on to the next powerhouse food, another essential element in your pregnancy nutrition journey. Ready to discover more? Next up, we're cracking into a nutritional powerhouse. Eggs, nature's multivitamin. A simple, yet incredibly effective way to nourish both you and your growing baby. Inside every egg is choline, a nutrient crucial for your baby's brain and memory development. It's essential for building strong neural connections. Most prenatal vitamins don't have enough choline, often overlooking this vital component, so eggs are an easy and delicious way to fill the gap. They're readily available and simple to incorporate into your daily diet. They're also packed with high-quality protein, building every cell in your baby's body. Protein is the fundamental building block, and eggs provide it in abundance. If you're struggling with morning sickness and finding it hard to keep food down, try hard-boiled eggs. They're mild, quick, and easy to prep ahead. A gentle option when your stomach is sensitive. Chop them into salads, adding a protein boost to your greens. Mash with avocado on toast, creating a creamy and satisfying meal, or eat them plain with a sprinkle of salt. Simple, effective, and easy to digest. The goal is to work with your body, listen to what it needs and craves, find what feels good and what you can keep down. Pregnancy is a journey of listening to your body's signals. Eggs are affordable, versatile, and nutrient-dense. A budget-friendly way to get a lot of nutritional bang for your buck. They're a simple way to support your baby's brain, laying the foundation for cognitive development and your own energy, providing sustained energy throughout the day. Don't overthink it. Pregnancy nutrition doesn't have to be complicated, just add an egg or two to your day. A small addition that makes a big difference. Whether scrambled, boiled, or mixed into a dish, however you enjoy them, you're giving your baby a head start, setting them up for a healthy future. Remember, it's about small, consistent choices, building healthy habits one step at a time. Eggs are a hidden gem in your kitchen, a readily available source of essential nutrients. They're easy to prepare and packed with benefits. A win-win for busy moms-to-be. Make them a regular part of your meals. Incorporate them into your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Your baby's brain will thank you, providing the building blocks for optimal development, and so will you for the energy boost. Feeling good and energized throughout your pregnancy journey? Let's keep going. We're on a journey to discover the best foods for you and your baby. There's more goodness ahead, more delicious and nutritious options to explore. Next up, get ready for another tasty and beneficial food, a creamy treat that's secretly working hard for you. It's both delicious and incredibly good for you. Ready for it? Get ready to discover another pregnancy superfood. Let's dive in. Let's uncover the secrets of this next nutritional gem. Greek yogurt, creamy, cool, and packed with benefits. It's a delightful treat that also happens to be incredibly good for you, especially during pregnancy. It's loaded with calcium, which your baby needs for strong bones and teeth. Calcium is the building block for a healthy skeletal system, and it's crucial during this stage of development. If you don't get enough, your baby will take it from your own bones, leaving you feeling depleted and potentially increasing your risk of osteoporosis later in life. So keep your supply stocked. Make sure it's always within reach for a quick and healthy boost. Greek yogurt also has double the protein of regular yogurt, making it a superior choice for pregnancy, supporting your baby's growth and keeping you full and satisfied for longer periods. That protein will help keep those pregnancy cravings at bay. The probiotics in Greek yogurt help keep your digestion on track, promoting a healthy gut environment, fighting off pregnancy constipation and bloating, common discomforts during pregnancy. These probiotics are your little digestive allies. It's a simple, delicious way to care for yourself and your baby, providing essential nutrients with every spoonful. For breakfast, top it with berries and granola, adding fiber and antioxidants to your morning meal, or swirl in a little honey for a touch of sweetness. A natural sweetener is always a better choice. Blend it into smoothies for a protein boost and creamy texture, making it a satisfying and nutritious drink. Use it as a snack, providing a quick and healthy energy boost between meals. Or swap it for sour cream in dips and dressings, reducing fat and adding a tangy flavor. It's versatile, satisfying, and easy to add to your day, fitting seamlessly into your pregnancy diet. Greek yogurt is self-care in a bowl, a simple act of kindness to yourself during this special time, nourishing you and your baby at the same time, ensuring both of you are getting the nutrients you need. Make it a regular part of your routine, incorporating it into your daily meals and snacks. Your bones and your babies will thank you for this calcium-rich and protein-packed choice. It's about making smart swaps that work harder for you, providing more nutrients and benefits with each bite. Keep a tub in your fridge for quick, healthy meals, always ready to satisfy your cravings and nourish your body. It's a small change with big benefits, contributing to your overall health and well-being during pregnancy. Enjoy it your way, sweet or savory, adapting it to your personal preferences and taste. Greek yogurt is a true pregnancy staple, a reliable and nutritious choice for expectant mothers. Let's keep building your foundation, one healthy choice at a time, for a strong and healthy pregnancy. Next up, a food that gives your baby's brain a real boost, supporting cognitive development and overall health. Let's talk salmon, a nutritional powerhouse for both you and your growing baby. Salmon is a superstar for your baby's brain. It's rich in DHA, an omega-3 fatty acid that's essential for brain and eye development. Getting enough DHA during pregnancy is linked to better cognitive function and vision for your baby. Salmon also provides high-quality protein and vitamin D, supporting your baby's growth and your own bone health. Worried about mercury? Salmon is one of the safest fish choices, low in mercury and high in benefits. Aim for up to 2 servings a week, choosing wild-caught varieties when possible. For an easy meal, bake a fillet with olive oil, lemon, and herbs. Simple, delicious, and minimal cleanup. Salmon is efficient nutrition, brain, bones, and immune system all in one. It's a powerful way to give your baby a head start. Don't let fear keep you from this incredible food. Just make smart choices. Salmon is a gift to your baby's development. Add it to your menu and enjoy the benefits. It's about quality, not quantity. Even 1 or 2 servings a week make a difference. Simple prep, big impact. Your baby's brain will thank you, and you'll love the flavor and ease. Let's finish strong with one last powerhouse food. Ready for a plant-based hero? Let's talk lentils. Lentils, small but mighty and a true pantry hero. They're packed with plant-based protein and iron, perfect for vegetarians or anyone wanting more variety. Lentils help fight pregnancy fatigue and support your growing blood supply. They're also loaded with fiber, keeping your digestion regular and comfortable. Fiber helps prevent constipation and keeps you feeling full longer. Lentils provide steady, slow-release energy, no sugar crashes here. They're also rich in folate, supporting your baby's brain and spinal cord. Cooking lentils is easy, no soaking required, just rinse and simmer. Make a simple lentil soup. Sauté onion, carrots, and celery. Add lentils and broth, simmer until tender. Batch cook for easy lunches all week. Toss cooked lentils into salads or mix with rice for a hearty side. They're affordable, versatile, and packed with nutrients. Lentils are a simple way to layer in protein, iron, and fiber. They help you build a resilient, diverse diet. Don't underestimate these tiny beans, they're a pregnancy powerhouse. Keep a bag in your pantry for quick, nourishing meals. Lentils make healthy eating easy and satisfying. They're a true staple for every expecting parent. Add them to your routine and feel the difference. One more scene to wrap it all up. Let's bring it home. There you have it. 5 incredible foods, vital for building a strong foundation for your pregnancy journey. Leafy greens, eggs, Greek yogurt, salmon, and lentils. Each one a simple yet powerful way to nourish both yourself and your growing baby. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about making loving, intentional choices, one delicious meal at a time. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for even more helpful content. Share your favorite nourishing foods in the comments below. We're all in this together, supporting each other. You are building a life, one nourishing bite at a time. Be gentle with yourself, and always trust your own intuition. You've absolutely got this, Mama.